Hello guys, this is Begzar from detectingai.com, and today in this short video and a couple more coming up, I want to show you guys some simple setups that can make your lives a whole lot easier, especially if you're a teacher with tons of student work. As you may have seen, we recently partnered up with make.com, which opens up a whole new world of automation possibilities. And today, I want to show you guys how you can connect Google Sheets, Google Forms, and make.com using a custom webhook to detect AI-generated contents in students' work. So let's get into it. Okay guys, here's the setup. As you can see, we have a simple Google form where the students can enter their names, their email addresses, essay title, their actual essay, and a quick question at the bottom to see if they're being honest. So now, in Google Sheets, we need to write a couple lines of code to send the data to make.com. It's very easy. You have to go into extensions, app scripts. As you can see, I already have the code here. It's very simple. I'll leave the code down in the descriptions. And we also need to add a trigger. Here you can see on the left-hand side, there's a clock icon. When you go into it, we need to add one. Here I already have one. Let me show you the configuration. You can see all the configurations. And after we save this, we go back to the script. And in this part, you have to write your own webhook link, which you will get in make.com. Let's go and see that. Here is where the actual automation happens, guys. So as you can see, first of all, we have a webhook, which is connected to the Google Sheets that I just showed you. And it's triggered when a student submits their essay. So when you go into it, it gives you a URL where you have to insert it to the part that I showed you in Google Sheets. After doing that, we send the data into detectingai.com. But before that, we have to connect our API key. Okay guys, to get the API key from detectingai.com, we have to go into the website, log into dashboard, and from here come down to settings. In settings, you can see here API access. So we click on view API keys, and here the API key is already ready. So we would just have to copy that. In the case where you don't have a subscription for the API key, you would have to go up to pricing. And here you can see the different options. We have individual options for detector, humanizer, plagiarism checker, and an all-in-one bundle. After getting the API key, you would have to enter it to the detector. So after doing that, we go into Google Sheets. Here in Google Sheets, we insert the data from the student's essay plus the AI percentage that came from Detecting AI. So here, as you can see, I have filled out all the forms, including the AI percentage. After doing all this, we can make a small connection with either Gmail or Slack to notify you when AI has been detected in the student's work. So now you have seen all the steps to make this automation work. Now let's see an example. To do this, let's get an example from chatgpt. So let me just copy a few paragraphs. And let's fill this form out. So Mike, 1, 2, 3. So we'll just paste in the essay here, and let's say no. After submitting this, coming back to make.com, here you can see that we have this option turned on immediately as data arrives. This means that when a new submission happens, this process is immediately being run. So that means our results should already be there. So when we switch back to the Sheets and switch to the Essays tab, and yes, we have our results. Here you can see the timestamp, the student's name, their email, title, and the essay itself, and most importantly, the AI percentage. As you can see, it's a 98% AI written. This setup takes only a couple of minutes, but once you have it actually running, it saves you hours of manual checking. Thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. If you want to get started now, head into detectingai.com and start for free.